Hi everyone and welcome back. So we have full specification leak for upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 series. Thanks to Snoopy Tech on Twitter, now we exactly know about the size of each smartwatch and battery capacities. Samsung is going to have its Unpacked event next week, and this is almost every information regarding upcoming Galaxy Watch 6. This spec sheet from Snoopy Tech once again confirms that there is no Pro model this year. We will be having a regular model like Galaxy Watch 5 and a classic model with rotating mechanical bezel. By the way, this year Samsung has reduced bezel size of its regular Galaxy Watch 6. As you can see from this image, it will make the watch more sleeker and modern. For the regular Galaxy Watch 6 model, we have two sizes, the 40mm with 1.31 inch screen size and 44mm with 1.47 inch screen size. Further, this spec sheet says that the watch is 28% lighter than Watch 5 Pro and 40% lighter than Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This is due to presence of stainless steel frame on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic that is heavier than titanium on Watch 5 Pro. Every Galaxy Watch 6 model will have 2GB of RAM with 16GB of internal storage. Talking about colors, we have graphite, grey, gold and silver. Samsung is also going to introduce new and deeply focused sleep analysis that will give you even minor detail of your sleep, as this is mentioned in spec sheet. Next we have the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in two sizes, 43mm and 47mm. Also, this watch will have a thinner stainless steel rotating mechanical bezel when compared to Galaxy Watch 4. The battery capacity for this smartwatch is the same as regular Galaxy Watch 6. For example, 300 mAh for the 43mm model and 425 mAh for the 47mm model. We have to see if the new Exynos W930 processor makes any difference in battery life or not, as the battery size is a lot less than 590 mAh of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. This classic model will be offered in two color options that are black and silver. So this was everything regarding upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Let's wait till next week to see what Samsung has for us in their Unpacked event. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.